okay, I realize what some people are going to do. They're going to try to, like, multiply both sides by the LCD. I'm not opposed to it. It's fine. You want to do that, you do it. What I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to just, I'm going to factor it. And if I do that, what do I get? I get 1 over x plus 1 over y, 1 over x squared, minus 1 over xy, plus 1 over y squared. And that equals the number minus 19. And what I need to notice, I notice that this number here is just minus 1. So I get 1 over x squared minus 1 over xy plus 1 over y squared is going to be, well, let's see, what's it going to be? It's going to be 19 then. All right? So then what am I going to do? Make a substitution. Before I do it, though, and probably I should have done this before I started the problem, was made a substitution. Right? So the substitution I want to make is, I want to make this substitution over here, that 1 over x is equal to u, and 1 over y is equal to v. So what would you get over here? You'd get u squared minus uv plus v squared is equal to 19. And then I'm going to do it in this one too. I'm going to write that down. So it's going to be u plus v equals minus 1. And I am going to say that u is minus 1 minus v. Let me write that down for you. All right, let's do it. Let's do this guy first. This is going to be what? 1 plus 2v plus v squared. Next one's going to be what? Plus v squared. Now we get plus v squared, that third term at 19. Let's see if we can do that. And I get 3v squared. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 v's. 2 and 1 is 3. And then I get minus 18. And let me just erase this over here. It's from the prior problem. And let's continue. And I have to factor it, don't I? Before I do that, I'm going to divide by 3, make it easier on me. So v squared plus b minus 6 equals 0. Much easier for me now. 3 and 2 plus minus. So v equals 2 or v equals minus 3. Now someone says you didn't want that. You're right, I didn't want that. What I wanted to do was get the y value. So the v is really 1 over y, so the y here would be 1/2, and the y here would be minus 1/3. They're just reciprocals, all right? Now, I got to go back over here, and I think I can deal with this. So let's take a look at that. So if v is 2, right, what would v be? If again, we're doing this over here. If v is 2, what would u be? Well, it would be, again, we're looking at this one over here. It would be minus 3. So what's x? Minus 1/3. Now, if v is minus 3, what would u be? Again, we're looking at this one over here. Looks like it would be 2. So what does that mean? X is 1/2. Let me write those ordered pairs down for you. Minus 1/3, comma, 1/2. And what's this ordered pair over here? 1/2, comma, minus 1/3. All right, put a circle on that. Let me get my red pen out. I want to see if I got those answers. 1/2 minus 1/3. And minus 1/3, 1/2. They also provide a picture for you, figure 154, over here where they plot those points out in the curve. These are not easy curves to graph, by the way. I use a machine to do it. Let me just remind you who I am. I'm Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Thank you for paying attention.